Welcome to the Shielded Soul Legacy with truth that will set us free. In the last video, I spoke of moving from a mindset of lack into a mindset of abundance. And moving into the door of abundance requires faith. And it is faith that turns the knob. Before any door opens, before abundance can be experienced, something has to turn the knob. And that something is faith. Faith is not denial of reality. Faith is not pretending everything will work out. Faith is the hand that turns the knob without knowing exactly what's on the other side. You see, a mindset of lack waits for proof. It stands in front of a closed door and says, "Show me what's inside first." But doors don't work that way. Abundance doesn't reveal itself to spectators. It reveals itself to participants. And participation requires faith. If abundance comes from the Creator, then faith isn't risky. It's a relationship. You trust the source, and the doors open when it's time. I'm not here to tell you what's behind the door. I'm here to tell you how doors open. Faith is the hand that turns the knob.